Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal switch in a 2007 Chevy Cobalt. The first thing I want to do is I want to open the box and check out the switch and make sure everything looks right. And another thing I wanted to see is if there was any screws on the bottom where the plugs go in, but everything looks pretty straightforward and simple. This does have auto headlights, so I just want to make sure that was on there. So now we'll jump in the car and see what tools we need. Also, when I'm looking at this, I'm trying to see how it goes into its location, and it looks like there's two tabs here that we'll just have to squeeze and slide this out and then unplug these. So what we're gonna have to do is take the steering column apart, the plastic top and bottom. We're gonna jump in the car and see what we need to do that. Alright, so as we come into the car, we're gonna have to take this panel off and this panel here. And normally there are only fasteners on the bottom, and it looks like there's one here, one here, and one here. So I'm gonna go grab a socket to fit that. Alright, and these are a 7mm. Okay, and you can see how easily that came apart. I'm gonna lower the steering wheel, and the ignition side, we have to get over the switch, so it's disconnected from the top, and there we go. Okay. Looks like it's... There we go. So this actually comes apart in 3 pieces. Alright, so to get to our switch, if you remember, there were 2 tabs, and there's a tab here and a tab here. Just need a screwdriver to get in there, and then we'll pull on this and get it out of there, and then we can unplug it and plug the new one in. Alright, so we got a screwdriver. Let's see, right in there. Okay, I also brought a pick, so maybe I'll put this in coming from the other way. And I don't know if you can tell, I got it in there where it's holding that tab down, so on the bottom we can pull it up, and then we should be able to pull the whole switch out. So I'm pushing up on the tab on the bottom. Okay. So I was able to push on both tabs at the same time, and then push, and then Now we're hitting this trim piece. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to unplug these plugs and maybe it'll allow it to move a little more. So maybe that'll didn't seem to help. Okay, so I got that trim piece out. And then this slid, I wouldn't say it slid right out, but now we got this out. So here's the new one, and I'm going to try and go ahead and plug in the harness. Well, I don't know, I'm going to go ahead and just slide it in. And you can see right here, this corner, it was kind of catching there. But yeah, so now go ahead and plug these back in. They're plugged back in. Okay, so now we're just going to put it back together. Okay, go ahead and put this in. Okay. Alright, well there's the new turn signal switch installed. Easy. So the reason I replaced this one, you can see it's got duct tape on it, and it was broken. The stock itself was broken, so now I'm gonna go ahead and test it and make sure everything's working fine. I can start with the headlights. Everything's good there. I'll grab the key and we'll test the turn signals. Good shape. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.